Just got it back from the shop. Got it jet blasted, you know, and honed. Looks brand new, looks clean, nice and sleek, ready and fresh to go. Got all new plugs, all new freeze plugs, cam plug, all that little knickknacks here and there. Got those in there. The jet blasting kind of messed up the paint, if you didn't see previously before that I painted the block, but now it's all janky. It's looking nasty, but that's fine because you can repaint. Repainting is easy. On the side, it's just chipping up a little bit. Nothing major. It looks disgusting right now, but you just wait for the finished product. Oh, and they forgot to replace one little plug, but that's all good. It looks good, looks amazing. They did a good job. Yeah, pressed in new cam bearings. Look at that. Looks like the Men in Black like scene or something like that. Looking down the hallway. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, beautiful. Oh, shining. It is shining. New plugs, yeah. Valve perfect. Go from underneath. Looks a little good. I probably got a video in here somewhere that actually has the audio of me looking underneath the block, but yeah, that's pretty much it. And also the valley of the motor. Oof. The valley looking clean. I mean, it looks clean, but a little rusted because of the chemicals and stuff, but I cleaned it up pretty good. Cleaned it well. Alright. Here you go, this one little coat. One coat, first coat. And yeah, I put a little bit of grease on here so I can clean it off after. But just a little stick coat, light coat, and major. Hopefully it turns out decent though, so we'll see. I recorded tomorrow in the daytime. It was just a look at night when I was doing it. How it looks now, and watch how it looks when it's cleaned up. Yeah, that's paper towels or shop towels with a little bit of painter's tape, but it works perfect. All right. Oh yeah, the lines are perfect. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now, the honing job is beautiful, a little bit beautiful. You know, not too major. Magnesium or whatever they use to check for cracks. Yeah, they said that they did it, but throw your food up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Brand new bearings, baby. Oh, cam bearings are beautiful. Oh yeah. Let's see it. Let's see it, baby. Oh, can I get the other side of that honing job? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yeah, as you can see, the freeze plugs are painted, but got the grease on them ready to wipe off, so they're gonna be golden. Okay, so let's get back to the back. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that cam plug right there. Oh yeah, I got a little bit of black on there, but hit it with a little bit of brake cleaner and wipe it right off. Smack maybe a little bit of oil or whatever it is so it doesn't rust back here or fuck up, because that is definitely metal. Oh yeah. Hit a little wire wheel on here. It cleaned up pretty good. I mean, there's still a little bit of stuff I couldn't reach, but everything else looks brand new. You know what I'm saying? Look, shit looks like it just came from Ford or something. You know what I'm saying? Probably actually better from Ford. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna try to do the cam and the crank right now. Hopefully so. Then tomorrow I'll do the pistons and then the oil pan. I gotta paint the oil pan. It's looking nasty. Oh yeah, check out this. Check out this. Our new machine toy from, everybody knows a cheap place to go. Everybody knows a cheap place. Sandblaster, baby. What's up? So I'm about to try to do the oil pan tomorrow. In the sandblaster. Everything on. Hopefully I'll have the cam and crank shaft in tonight. Let's get her done, baby. Oh, maybe, just maybe even timing cover, baby, with the timing chain on it. But we'll see. We'll probably just get that done tomorrow because I gotta actually sandblast that too because somebody left it out in the rain. And look at what happened to this beautiful chain. Somebody left it out of the box. You know what I'm saying? It was new. But I'm gonna just throw it in. It's just a little bit of surface rust, nothing major. Yeah. This is it. Let's get it done, baby. All right. Fire. Let me get it. Cam is in there, baby. Brand new. Stage 2, baby. Trick flow. Beautiful. Now look at these crank bearings right here. Now look at how gorgeous they are. Oh my God. Let me give you a glimpse of what the old one is. This is to the third one. Now look at this. Look at that wear and tear on that, baby. Look at that wear and tear on that. Now, comparison to this, to that. Hello? Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, now let me show you the reason why I actually wanted to take it apart after I painted it already and had the cam in already and everything else was ready to go. Oh, here's another glimpse of one of them. Nasty. You see the groove, you can see the line, and then the wear right here on the corner. Where's that? I think it's this one here, number 4. There it is. Wapow! You see that fat line? Oh my God, this is deep too. It's deep. It's nasty. You see how it looks gold? That's when you usually hit that spot to where it's like, it's time to get some new ones, you know? Because at first I was just gonna run the motor, but after seeing this on me, I was like, that this is getting changed out for sure. Look at how fat this wear is right here. This is uneven, nasty. That is disgusting. So that is the reason why I changed this out to these. Oh my God. Beautiful, beautiful. After $400 of machine work. So, you know, it's pretty good. This one, wear on it. Oh yeah. And then the back one, it's not so bad. Just a little bit of wear though. No grooves, nothing major. But everything's good. I'm gonna degrease these really quick. And I'm gonna try to clean them up to where I can actually throw them into the sandblaster so we can get everything clean. You know I already called that, right? I just rotated it.
You cleaned it?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Let me show you what's going on. Okay, let's set the crank in just now. Always make sure this rotates perfectly and beautifully. Always. If that shit doesn't rotate like that with ease, that shit's in wrong completely. Your bearing's f***ed up, you gotta check something out. So, what I'm gonna show you is, this is for a Ford 302, baby. 302, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so, alright. So, each and every one of the main caps, they're numbered, okay? So, number 1, of course, obviously starts up front. You know, we go forward to back, you know what I'm saying? Forward to back. You see that little tiny arrow right there? We want to face that towards the front of the motor just like so. So that's what we finna do. Now I'm about to place it in. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw a little bit more assembly lube on here. I threw some on the bottom. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. You know what I'm saying? Got my fingers clean. Arrow forward on number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the front of the motor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Here we go. Where is it? Oh, I just like using it. I don't know if this is correct or not, but I might lock them up both ends so they don't go nowhere. And it smells like candy canes, so. Just lock it in. And I already cleaned the bolts off. Oh yeah, always. This one. with the actual stud on there. That one's gonna go on 3. Let's grab 2. Good. Now it's in torque down to 65. Straight. Beautiful. 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 And now all I'm gonna do tomorrow is I'm gonna peel this off. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, that's what happens when you put grease on, baby. Save them bad boys. What's wrong with you? You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and push it off. So tomorrow I'm gonna be clean. Put the pistons in tomorrow. Hopefully get the timing chain, timing cover on, put the oil pan on. Well, tomorrow damn it, I keep forgetting about that. Well, tomorrow I gotta sand down the oil pan. I just clean it up and throw it in there, but just hopefully it comes out good. I gotta get all the grease and gunk out of there. But tomorrow paint that, put it on, fire. Let's get it though. Yeah. Hold on, let me draw the last view, you know what I mean? Oh yeah. And the torque sequence, I mean, always start from the middle and work your way out. Boom, boom. So it doesn't matter, boom, or right here. So start here first. Torque these down first. Bow, 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 bow. So if you go from here, left, right, left, right. Or here, boom, right, left, right, left. For me, I just went, you know, it's whatever to me. It's still the same.